Apparently we're #1 enemy against the world for scrutineers for some reason. Away he goes!
We were just like red arrows.
Hello everybody, welcome to Darkside's trailer drag race with the Amarok versus the Touareg. I'm only kidding, I don't think we'd be allowed to do that. This is going to be time attack, Oulton Park. Luke's driving the Ibiza, Ruben and me coming a spanner for him. Scott's driving RS3, ready to roll. Off we go. Bye bye everybody. No. Not get it. Welcome to Oulton Park everybody. We made it without crashing truck. Scott's made it. I hope they haven't been driving with trailer like that all the time. Garage to our sense by the looks of it. Not many people are here, which is good for me, seeing as I have zero parking skill. Apparently I've been told that we're garaging with a Subaru, so I might just have to go and help the Subaru man out. Jackpot. Subarus rule. Ruben's just stalled at Beefer.
Yo look, I'm like close right.
Do you not like driving? Do you want me to roll instead? Freshly washed and sparkly, ready to rock. Welcome to Oulton Park.
What is that filming?
Luke's ready to go. Luke, are you ready to go?
Well, I didn't do this to you.
You did do this to
I
me.
did not do this.
Are you ready to go, Luke? Are you ready to go?
Sort of.
Luke's driving the Ibiza, which he's managed to leave ignition on. Well done.
Scott left ignition on.
Scott's left ignition on. Ibiza's ready to go. RS3 has been a nightmare. Scrutineers have not been kind to us. It's been apparently we're #1 enemy against the world for scrutineers for some reason. So as you can see, the lovely RS3 carbon fibre doors we've had to butcher in the scrutineering bay. We've left them a little present, so they can have that. They said that we couldn't run unless we put the windows in, so we've chopped our little doors to bits to satisfy one bloke. So there we go. Luke, are you still ready?
Kind of.
Yeah, Luke's still kind of ready. Are you ready to go now, Luke?
Nearly.
Are you ready to go now?
Nearly.
Your tummy okay?
Nearly.
Okay. Luke's about to go out for the first session. Thoughts, Ruben? Light drizzle. Light drizzle currently. Luke's never driven in the wet, I don't think. But he's got AO52s on. So we're all good.
Enjoy, you know where you're going?
Yeah.
You know it all.
Away he goes! There he goes. Luke's off for his first session.
How are you doing?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just don't know how to track.
Oh,
So, I've got to learn the track before I can go fast.
yeah.
And I learned one corner were a bit too fast, which are a bit, but it'll be alright.
We've got this.
I'll learn it. Alright, we'll wait.
Right. Go back to cylinder 1, Ruben. Right. Come on. Yep, she's dead.
So then, Mr. Ruben. Luke's doing well. Ibiza's running in 4th. There's a naked Scott. Now then, Mr. Luke.
Wait, can I put my hat on right way?
No.
Remember the tape?
Team interview.
Team interview.
What's your name?
Oulton Rainer.
And what do you do?
Fix cars.
And what are you doing today?
Driving cars.
Yeah. And how are you going with driving cars?
Alright, I think.
Yeah, we think so too.
Cheers.
Luke's got a 206, his target is a 205. 205 summit. He's definitely got it in him. Or at least I believe he has. So the RS3 is dead. Cylinder 1 is low on compression and it's got loads of blowback. I think piston rings have knackered in it. So us being us, we've stuck a fresh pair of 295s on it and we're going to take it back out. See how it does. So hopefully we're just going to go for one lap one day and see what we can get times wise. Engine's gone, we can't do out about it, so we might as well send her out on a high, or as the Vikings would say, to Valhalla.
Just like red arrows. They were just like red arrows.
Thoughts, Mr. Reuben?
RS3's scrappy.
Luke's just about to go out for final. RS3's loaded up in trailer because it's decided to die a death. So we'll see how Luke does this round. He's been running in 4th position so far. Very good, very nice. So we'll see what happens. What do you think Luke's going to do?
Barry, no, like.
That wasn't very nice.
There he is. Go on, Sonny. Fast as drama in the Ibiza. Unfortunately, hose pipe has blown off and clamps off. So the Ibiza is done for the day.
Luke said he's not bothered about going back out because he got his best time, so well done Luke. And he's getting a bit slippy, so
Look at what he's done.
look at what Luke did to me.
What a fool.